What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's a quick little install on how to make your BMW look a lot newer. But first off, this is my old mic setup. Let me know what you guys think of my new mic setup that is going to start now. Here's the new mic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So let's go ahead and get started on this install. So if you're new to the channel, this is my 95 BMW 325i. It is my budget track car build. As you can tell here in the front, I just did the headlights, but this badge here is absolutely garbage. It is trashed, and the person before me actually had a little accident. We'll get to that someday later. But this is what we're going to be replacing today. So, over here, this is the new one. I got it off eBay. It was $7 and some change. There's a link down in the description of where you can buy this. But let's go ahead and throw the sucker on there. To get the old one off, I'm going to go ahead and use my interior trim piece, the little pry bar. It's a little plastic. Very careful not to scratch your paint because you can easily scratch, but get a little bit of a corner underneath there. Very carefully. I'm going to go ahead and maybe... This is just the plastic part. There's the old logo. We can throw that away. And just very carefully try to get underneath it without damaging your paint. That's the tricky part. The plastic will help with that. Do not use a flathead screwdriver. See, I'm under it. I'm gonna pull toward myself so I'm not. There it is. So there's the old one. You can see all the dirt and grime underneath it. I went in and got a little Simple Green. I'm gonna clean the area up. Get all that dirt off. Make sure you get the Simple Green residue off as well. So here I got the new piece. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Looks pretty good. I think there's a protective film over it. There's a protective film over it. Now just go ahead and line it up, snap it in, snap it into place. Now that is super loose, as you can tell. You can kind of move it around. I can even take it off with my fingernails. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tube of RTV, stick the little prongs in there, just a little bit, so you can kind of get some RTV on them, just enough, about like that. Never really tried this, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if it'll work because I do not want this badge coming off. So once you have your RTV on there, just go ahead, carefully line it up, throw it down in the holes, and that RTV should set, and make sure your badge sticks on there. Now I'm just gonna remove the little plastic. There we have it. Wow, looks very good. That's gonna wrap up this quick little install on the BMW E36. Little badge on there. I think it adds a nice little new taste to it. Looks good. Very satisfied with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the builds. Hit that thumbs up. Help me out so much. Have a good one, guys.